Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include leather seats, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3. Come test drive the 2014 Accord Crosstour. Versatility. Is it a sports car or pack it full of gear and it becomes an SUV? Accord Crosstour. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.